Alright guys, welcome back. Today we're moving that wood pile behind me. Let's take a look. Now some of you guys are regular subscribers, you know this is a huge log pile. Well, it's not so huge anymore. Just go clear back there, sneak peek. But we're whittling it down and it's going over there, getting it off the side of the road here. So that's what we're moving. And guess what? You guys didn't catch Wednesday's video. The new tractor is here. Look at that. Let's walk around the other side, the sunny side. There it is. Now you can see it. That is a brand spanking new TYM 494. As you can see, I got the, what do you call it? The claw for the front, log thing for the front. Brain fart. But yeah, got that. Got a couple other attachments. Still got all the plastic on the seat, plastic on there. It's brand spanking new to me. TYM does not sponsor me. I paid for this baby with my own money. Cha-ching. So, anyhow, we're going to use this to move that. And then maybe a couple other things. Let's get going. Hydrostatic transmission, air conditioning, guys. See our log pile over there. I'm going to start a new one over here. I may have gotten my logs a little close together. Yep, I did. Whack that baby. Well, good grief. Hit it again. Now I knocked my pile over. Yeah, that's what happens when you play with cameras and try to do stuff. But anyhow, we're going to put it right there, but that log needs to move over a little bit so I can get in there, and then we'll start stacking them up over there. So I'm going to let you go so I can drive this thing and get that done. got us a twofer. This new tractor's got a lift capacity about 3,000 pounds, so about 10 times as much as my old tractor. If we can get there here without hitting the stack this time. Good two logs. It's oak and cherry, it looks like. They're heavy, but this transfer's picking them way up there, and they're dangling way out there. So, right there, I think. Yeah, she bounced. She's a little light in the back end. Come up here a little bit. Tilted. There we go. On to the next one. Alright, so I grabbed this one, and that's relatively straight, and I've taken these, I think these are black cherry, and I've been trying to save them. If I think I can get an 8-foot section straight out of it, which I think I can out of this one, so we'll add that to the pile over here. I've been sitting them over here to the side. We'll cut some 8-foot sections out of them and run them across the sawmill. In case you guys are new here, I have a sawmill. It's actually right on the other side of that wall. And yeah, we're going to saw some cherry here, it looks like, along with the mess back there, and the mess there, and the mess way back there. And so we got lots of sawmilling, but yeah, this is a good candidate for a saw log. About that big. I'm going to say 12 inches. Maybe. So yeah, let's dump her off and go get another one. Alright, had to stop and take a look at this one. This is a shagbark hickory, I believe, and the bugs are getting into this. There's an ant right there. But look at this. Sawdust. They're tearing it up. But what I was wondering, maybe this wouldn't make a good saw log. It's fairly straight. It's not very big though. I'm sure them bug holes are going to go through any boards I want to make. So yeah, I think it's firewood. But we're getting narrowed down. A few more picks and we'll be done with this one. Tell you what, guys, that is a very long log. It's probably 20 footer there, and down here is probably, well, it's got to be 13, 14 inches. The other end's probably about 6 or 8. Yeah, heavy hauler. That other tractor never picked that up, that's for sure. Pile, don't hit the pile. Alright, right about there. Put her down here a little bit. Ooh, light on the back end. Put some counterweight on the back end of this, would help a lot. Back up a little bit so there ain't where I want it. Perfect. Alright, we're going to finish. is a very big piece of shagbark hickory. Lots of knots in that. Whatnot. I don't know how long it is, but the diameter is good. And boy, the bugs are in it. I don't know whether to saw that or not. Tell you what I'm going to do. You guys let me know in the comments. Some of you guys have sawed this stuff. I'm going to take and set it. Oh, so carefully. Oops, I'm not going to make it. Alright, well, I'm going to set a half cookie down here. Well, I did make it. Alright, whoops. I knocked it off. But anyhow, right there on the ground, I'm going to save it. I'm going to think about that one for a day or two, and I might just saw that up. So, yeah, I think we got about 3 more pieces and we'll be done. Alright, well, there you go. Nothing but a mess left. Be a good time to have one of those little rakes you pull behind your tractor. Rake all this up. But yeah, we got it all, finally. It's all over there. Let's go take a look. Holy smokes, what a mess. But a little bit here that I had already split up. I threw that big old oak up on top of there. There's a couple pieces right here are standing dead. That big one there. And then the wood pile. Yeah, and here's the one we did today. I'll walk around here, try to get a better view. But yeah, all that back there, and then this little bit. And I did take and put these logs down. These logs here go the opposite way, and then these logs sit up on top. And then that way it creates an air gap underneath both piles. So the air will get in around there, and that helps dry it too, I guess. So plus keeps it up off the ground, and then won't draw moisture. Except for that little bit right there, which I knocked off there today, so ignore that. We'll fix that later. But yeah, it's looking good. Let's get on to the next project. Alright, so next chore, we're going to take this grapple, that's the word I was trying to use earlier. We'll take this log grapple off the front, and we'll hook up to another attachment. Now show you a couple things I got for the tractor. Alright, we got them on a set of forks. That's what else we got with the tractor. That and that land plane, everything's all iron craft except for this fork, some are storm attachments. So yeah, we'll get this baby to good use here pretty quick on this driveway. Get this shaped up maybe before winter. Right now we're going to use these forks, and we're going to move some stuff around. And that stuff being right here in front of the garage. I built 2 pallets earlier this year, and I left them stacked together. Well, now I need that bottom pallet because we're gonna start stacking all that black cherry on that pallet and getting it to dry. And so it's got pine on the top and a mess on top of that. But anyhow, we're looking to separate these 2 pallets. I'll take that top one, put it over there. We'll take the bottom one, run it out to the garage or the barn so we can start stacking. So let's do that. Alright guys, well you can see I got the loader on the tractor. We're back up here where we started today. I'm going to start scraping up some of this bark and mess up here and get that cleaned up. I didn't think you guys needed to see that, so that's going to end our video for today, I guess. Appreciate you guys sticking around, and probably going to be seeing a lot more of this baby now. So we'll get back on the sawmill. We'll get to splitting some of that wood. We got to figure out where we're going to put it all. So lots going on right now. So you guys gonna, oh, and the solar kiln, don't forget the solar kiln. That's why we cleaned out in front of the garage here, so we can use that as a platform, start building walls and floor for that. So what else? I don't know what else, but I guess that's about it. So till next time guys, I appreciate you, and we'll catch you on the next one.